Hello everyone, this is Cutech40800H Planer. This is a 2-speed planner with cutter head speed of 10,000 RPM. It comes with depth of cut indicator that goes from 1/64 inch to 1/8 inch. Stock thickness scale bar, which is very easy to read. Snipe minimizer and a flip dust hood. This is the setup when a dust collection system is not connected, and this would be when connect a dust hose here. It comes with two dust ports, 4-inch and 2.5 inch. It also comes with a 12-inch by 14-inch table extensions at the feed end and also at the receiving end. The table extensions can be flipped for storage, but unfortunately when hood is installed, this side cannot go up all the way. It has two rollers on the top to return the heavy boards easily. It also has onboard storage for tools. It's a 13-inch planer, which means it allows planing maximum width of 13-inch board and up to a stock thickness of 6 inches. The movement of cutter head in this machine is controlled by 4 lead screws, and you turn this clockwise and anti-clockwise to lower or upper the cutter head. It's a solid build machine with metal sides. Even though it's called portable planner, it's quite heavy, and I found out it performs best when it is installed on a fixed base, a table like this, and it has the stainless steel segmented cutter heads, but Cutech does have carbide cutter heads, and I have not used the carbide cutter heads yet, but with the stainless steel, so far it is working pretty good. So you see I have these stocks. It was 1 3/4 inch, so I am planing it from a raw cut to a finished surface. So far I have done quite a few passes, and I will keep doing 1 1/4 inch. So this particular planner has a stock depth. So you can see right now I set it to 1 1/4 inch. This works very well. I started with 1 1/2, and now I turn it down to 1 1/4 so that I can make sure my stocks will never go thinner than 1 1/4 inch. So like any other planner, it produces a huge amount of wood chips. Up a hose, and then it connects with a collection system. So this is again a customized collection system that I built for my woodworking. Let's see how well it performed. Looks like pretty smooth. I don't feel anything. No lines. The opposite side is also very consistent. Let's do some measurements and see we got our width right or not. So we set our depth gauge to 1 1/4 inch, and let's see how much is it now. Throughout the board, the depth was pretty consistent. You can see 1/17 of 64,